decided to make a video today on how to replace brake pads on an International truck. We're going to use a 2016 International truck. We're going to replace the front brake calipers and the front brake pads. So if you haven't done it before, take a look at this video and it'll help you to be familiar with the tools that are needed, and hopefully it can save you some time. All right, we'll walk out here to the shop. Okay, these are the tools that are needed. You need a 1 5/16 3/4 socket, impact gun. We are using 6-ton jack stands. Of course, you want a bench seat here, and we're going to replace the left front side. And the first thing you want to do is crack the safety, and we have some chuck blocks on the back. So now that we have it off, this is your brake caliper, and it's going to break it off. And you got your brake pads that goes right inside of it. And it's a shame that they are not worn, but the brake caliper locked up. That's your lock plate. Keeps the brake pads in place. And what he's doing right now is applying pressure off of the pads so he can pull the brake pads straight out. This side is the one that's locked up. Therefore, the whole caliper has to be replaced. Normally, you don't have to do that. Just replace the pads, put new ones in, back on, and put your plate back in place, and you're good to go. All right, here we go with the new pads. Let's see here. Yeah, as you can see, there's not much difference between that one and not bad. Not much difference, but if you're gonna do it, you might as well go all the way. Let's see here. Let's put this back in here for him. I gotta tell you, this brake calibers for these vehicles are pretty pricey. And if we get a discount, and it still costs us, not including the core, over $600. Wow, matter of fact, it comes with shoes. That's a new one. Keep in mind, a new brake caliper will actually come with shoes. And that part number. That's the part number there. Okay, and that's for a 2016 S1300. Take this bolt off, these two bolts, and you had to take the ones off at the bottom, as you see, those three. You have one more to take off. Actually has 6 bolts to hold it on. Once you take those off, you can slide the caliper right up. It's a good idea to check the bearing while you had the caliper off. So that's what he's getting ready to do now. He said the bearing is loose.
That's a good lock up.
Gee.
Yeah, it's locked up.
It sure is.
You see what's running in there?
Mm-hmm.
It's running in there. Sad.
Alright. Yeah.
See how dry it is?
They could have wiped that spindle out.
Wipe that spindle, yep, sure will. It's locked up. Let me see. Yeah, you're a little rough. I could feel the roughness. I gotta knock it off. Yeah?
Yeah. Let's check that race and might have to order.
Let me knock it out.
Alright. Okay. Well,
One more problem.
good thing we pulled it off and we found out we got a inner bearing problem. We felt some play and he pulled it off and actually has a inner bearing problem. as you can see here, we go back with the new caliper. You just break the line loose and you put the new caliper on, and we will show you how to bleed that. Let's see what we got. Wow. Wow.
Isn't that something?
We had no idea this was the case. No idea.
And that caliper was running hot. I'm probably knocking the wheel.
But this is something you want to look out for, guys.
Yep.
Wow. Caught it just in time. That could have been bad.
Yep, our wheel will be out running on the street.
So the problem that we had was we had a front brake caliper locking up, and we did not know that it was due to the inner wheel bearing, and we didn't know that till we pulled it off to check for play and seen that that was the main problem, and it caused pressure on the brake caliper and made it heat up. So now we're in the process of getting new bearings. So that's where we are. So basically all we have to do, we know now that brake pads come with a new caliper. They will want this caliper, your old caliper, back for a core. So the only thing you have to do, we're going to go back the same way, just in reverse. And what you do is just take this line off, and you hook it up here. And what you're going to have to do, once you do that, this is full of air, so you're going to have to bleed it. And you have a bleeder port right here. And once you put it back on the way that we just took it off, and you can have someone to hit the brake pedal several times, hold it down until you bleed all the air out of your bleeder screw, and you'll be good to go.